In other news, the Universal Lifeline Access for Emergency Assistance, or 911, is in the midst of a transition and makeover from a localized setup to a unified system. And the PNP has tapped its choice technical provider for the system integration to the tune of 1.4 billion pesos. Our Ryan Lasigas tells us more, to include the set deadline of the 1st of next month when the new system officially kicks in.
The Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, will implement the new system for the 911 emergency hotline starting August. According to DILG Secretary Junvic Remulla, this is aimed at making it easier for authorities to comply with the 5-minute response time. All 911 calls in the country will be unified under a single system. Currently, over 30 local government units still have their own hotlines.
Integrated na yan sa buong Pilipinas. Integrated na siya. Kasi ngayon, 34 ang LGU na may sariling 911. Tapos may sarili ang krame. So wala tayong unified system. Ang gagawin natin, magkakaroon tayo ng unified system para sa buong Pilipinas.
The PNP has already secured a technology provider for the planned integration costing 1.4 billion pesos.
Sa bagong sistema natin, I think the PNP will have a better response time and better quality of response. Ito kasi na-procure to 2010 pa yata, no? 2010 pa yan eh. So it's 4 generations old. So we're getting the latest generation in the world, kukunin ng Pilipinas ngayon. And we hope to install fully integrated in the Philippines by within 1 year.
Remulla said the new system is state-of-the-art and the 911 hotline will also be language sensitive.
So kung tatawag ka galing Pampanga, Kapampangan ang sasagot sa'yo. Kung tatawag ka galing Ilocos, Ilocano ang sasagot. Kung galing Cebu, Bisaya ang sasagot sa'yo. So naka-geofence na tatawag na yan. And then naka-push to talk cellular ang lahat ng mga pulis natin. Kasi they use radios now which are efficient.
Prank callers won't be able to get away either. With the new system, the PNP will be able to identify where the calls is coming from. Remulla warned that anyone who attempts to deceive will face fines and imprisonment.
May geofence kasi, may geolocator kasi lahat ng tatawag eh. So kung tumawag ka at prank call ka, within 5 minutes mauwi ka rin.
Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.